Good morning, students. Yesterday I am giving you one homework of switch case. You can just see the homework. You have to, in this program, you have to input the phone number, price of a per room, as well as number of persons. Each person is allotted with single room, and you have to find out the total bill according to the following condition. And condition was, for ground floor discount was nil, for first floor discount was 10%, for second floor discount was 20%, and for third floor discount was 30%. Now the solution is, first I will take import java.util.strip. This is your package I will take. Now class I have taken floor. Floor is your class name. Public static void main string args. I have taken P for price, N for number of person, Fn for floor number, and B for total bill. Now scanner class for taking the input of price, number of persons, and floor number. You can see how we have taken the input. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, p is equal to sc.nextInt, n is equal to sc.nextInt, fn is equal to sc.nextInt. Now in switch case, we will pass the variable fn, which is your floor number. Bracket open, case 0 for ground floor. Now I have print the message system.out.println ground floor. Now how we will calculate the bill? Price into number of person. Now system.out.println total bill is equal to plus B. We will just print the bill. Break. Now case 1. System.out.println first floor. Now bill, how we will calculate? On the first floor discount was 10%. So from the total value we will just subtract the discounted part. So this is the way, P into N minus P into N into 10 upon 100. Now system.out.println total bill plus B. Break. Now for case 2, I have print the message, second floor. Now bill is equal to P into N minus P into N into 20/100. For second floor the discount was 20%. Now we will just print the value of the bill over here. Now I applied break. Now third floor the discount is 30%. So first we will print the message third floor, then in the similar way we will calculate the bill, P into N minus P into N into 30/100. Now we will just going to print the calculated total bill plus B by this method. Now break. Now if user enters any floor number other than these three values, it will just goes to default and it will print floor does not exist. Now let's check out the output. Now according to these variables, user will take the input. Now P is the price, so I have inputted the price 1000. Now N is the number of persons, so it has taken as, we have taken as 10, and Fn is your floor number, so I have taken 0. So how we will calculate the total bill? This price into number of persons, so it will come 10,000. In this way it will just print the value. Working, it will not going to show in the output part. Now again I have taken second example. Now I have taken price as 500, number of person as 5, and your floor number as 1. So how it will calculate? It is 500 into 5 is 2500, and 2500 minus your discount is 10% on the price, on the this total multiplication part. So it comes out to be 250 after discount. So 2500 minus 250 is your 2250. Now you have to do one homework. Using switch case only you have to do. You have to input the year of a BTech engineering and choose the elective as per the following. For first year, the choice should be environment. For second year, choice should be compiler design, and for third year, it should be CCNA, and for fourth year, it should be advanced Java. Thank you so much.